Hello friends. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the entire education sector is going through a tough time right now. The primary focus of every faculty and all the educational institutions is now upon the online teaching learning. We have at our disposal various modes for the online teaching. Video recording of the lectures is widely preferred by the faculty. Let us see some of the tips for effective video recording of our lectures. To begin with, the most important point is the content. The syllabus or the topic that we are going to deliver is the key to all. However, I will not stress much on that since you all are the masters of your concerned subjects. Nonetheless, content is the most important because only if one is thorough with the content, he or she can be pretty confident while delivering the talk. Next, we need to keep in mind the language or the medium of instruction. Ensure that the language is clear and there is no ambiguity since there is no scope for one-to-one discussion. Keep the sentences and the medium as simple as possible. Keep the sentences short enough so that it is easy to listen and understand. If you are going to use a blackboard or a whiteboard for any kind of explanation, ensure that the writing is clearly visible in the recorded video. Now, let's focus on the various aspects of recording a video lecture. First of all, make sure that your physical appearance is presentable enough. Your costume, hairstyle, clean-shaven look is equally important. Make sure that the attire isn't too gaudy. We are not expected to be fashionable but presentable enough. Slight makeup or touch-up will surely help, especially if you are going to record the session in a professional studio. Ensure that you have a good background for recording the video. Always prefer a plain background. This will not divert the attention of the viewers to the other unwanted things and appearances. You can even make use of chroma key feature wherein the video is recorded on a green or a blue colored backdrop and later the backdrop is replaced with animation or other required media. However, chroma key feature preferably uses green or blue backdrop. Therefore, you will have to avoid having these colors anywhere in your dress or other material. Use of chroma key may not be possible for recording at home, but if you have a professional studio, this feature can be made use of. Prefer a four-legged chair instead of the rotating executive chair. It will give better stability as well as it will avoid the cranking sound which the executive chairs sometimes make. You can use a table if you want to keep some books or maybe a laptop. If you wish, you can even record the video in standing position and while delivering the talk. Facing the camera is the most crucial point when it comes to video recording. You need to remember and assume that camera frame itself is your audience. You will have to speak assuming that the students, the viewers actually exist in front of you. Be confident enough before you start recording. Preferably, have your content in front of you, either printed or uploaded on a teleprompter. The angle at which you look into the camera is very important. Keep your eyesight at the same level as that of the camera. If you are going to read the script from the teleprompter, make sure that it doesn't look as if you are just reading it. Let it look that you are very well prepared and you are presenting the content. When you read the script from the teleprompter, you need to be careful about the movement of your eyes. However, normal movement of eyes will do. Since you will have the scrolling mouse with you, you can adjust the speed at which you read the script. Avoid looking here and there, especially outside the frame of the camera. Try to connect to the audience through the camera. Ensure that this connect is such that every viewer should feel that you are communicating with them. Make proper use of voice modulation to make the communication more effective. You might be using various devices for recording the video lectures. If you have a standard video recorder, it will give a better output. However, if you are using a mobile cell phone, always prefer to have a tripod stand so that it will give a stable and quality recording. Before you record the video, do check the background noise, sounds like that of the traffic, running fan, people around you, children in the family, etc. Try to record the video at a quiet place where you have the least disturbance. Ensure that you have proper lighting and ambience around the place where you wish to record the video. Check the microphone quality before recording. Avoid the wired microphones if possible, as it looks little unprofessional on camera. If possible, you can use the clip-on wireless microphones. Before you begin, check the camera quality of the recording device. Sometimes the devices are set on default settings. Set the camera at the best recording quality possible. Another important point to remember is that always keep your cell phone on airplane mode while you record the video. While the recording is going on, if you get an incoming call, the video recording will stop. You will then have to restart the recording and re-record the remaining part, and also the video will have to be edited. Anyways, you can always edit the recorded video to remove any unwanted part or to add any presentations or captions if necessary. Next, try avoiding repetition of sentences. Many a times, we say the same line or speak about the same point multiple times. This could make the video less effective, so try to avoid it. You can always practice the session in advance till you are satisfied and confident of recording it. Be calm and cool while you record the video. The very idea of facing the camera sometimes creates a kind of panic or uneasiness to many people. If you stay calm and relaxed, it can be easily done. So friends, this was a little effort to guide you about the video recording of lectures. I hope that this will help you all in creating quality academic e-content for the students.